Hello everyone. We are demonstrating a couple of key modules, especially around Buildesk reporting dashboard, which we have built. And our focus is on helping you to understand that how can you get the better understanding on all the key reports which are now available in the Buildesk report section. So I'll be taking you one by one on all the key modules, and I'll be highlighting all my modules like how exactly it works. So now, if you go to the report section, there are a couple of modules which you'll receive. Analysis and agent analysis used to be the reports which used to exist in our tool from quite a long time. I won't get into the advanced analysis. I'll start from the agent analysis. So when you'll go to a agent analysis, now there is a important report which comes, which actually helps you to understand how your agent is performing. So, if you had given some particular set of leads and you want to understand that in this particular time period, how your specific agent performed over a period of time, so you can easily get this report from here. So, for example, let's assume that if I select the date range of 1 to 31st, and I want to analyze the performance of a specific individual. So let's assume that I connect my executive named Sakshi. So now I'll get a complete analysis of my executive, that how many leads we have assigned to her in that period of time, how many leads did she converted from a contact. So contact is our bulk data from where we convert the data to a lead. How many those leads were fresh, what is the status, and based on the distribution of those set of leads into the different stages. So this analysis you can get it with one click. Similarly, if you want to analyze that, okay, how many site visit she scheduled, how many site visits got conducted, how many booking happened, and what is the breakup of the lead which actually coming from different sources. So even from the in terms of the source lead source breakup, so you can find it over here. So this is the key module of agent analysis. You can select multiple agents, or if you want select the analysis. If you want the analysis of entire team, so you can directly just click over here and you'll get a complete breakup of the entire team. That okay, who all executives are there, they are from which team, how many leads got assigned, how many contact got assigned, what is the complete status, and what is the breakup as per the stage. So you can get this report from here. Now we'll move to the another report. This is the new report which we just recently launched. The report name is Stage versus Source. In Stage versus Source, we help you to get the understanding of movement of lead into a particular stage with respect to the source, with respect with the source and the stage. So it actually help you to understand that if the lead is in booking section, or if the lead is in site visit section, or the lead is in which is in the cold section. So which are the sources from where you are getting that lead? So it helps you to get a better analysis of doing your marketing ROI analysis and getting a much better visibility that how exactly the system is working. So for example, let's assume that if I select a date range of 1st to 31st July, and do the analysis based on a project, based on an agent, based on a team, you can do that. Now you'll see we are getting all the stages which are there, and now we are also getting the breakup that okay, in this stage, like for example, let's say that if we have international any particular stage, if you want to see, we can get a complete analysis that what is the source from where we are getting this data. So we can get this analysis over here. Same way, if we have a module where the lead stage change is happening and we have done a compulsion of lead the stage reason, then again we can even get the stage reason over here, that okay, how many okay, if the stage is in a so if the lead is in a particular stage, what is the reason and what is the breakup as per the source. So this is the module which actually helps you to get the better understanding of how your stage are moving, how your leads are moving in different stage with reference to a source and the analysis around it. Okay.